Hi, Stephanie here. I'm running a day spa in the Northern California. Today, I wanted to tell you a little story about the flower display in my business. Do you know? The best flower for the day spa to display is orchid. For businesses where people visit you, or even home office, it's always nice to display fresh flowers. They are pretty for eyes, and they are comforting. Many small businesses display fake flowers, but they are not the same. Real fresh flowers are always better to be around. Downside of real flowers is, cut flowers can die in a few days, if not, in a few weeks. Real flowers in a pot can last longer, but they don't do well indoor all the time, and you forget to water them because you are too busy to take care of business. In my clinic, I have tried various kinds of flowers to display, and I came to realize that the orchid flower is the best. Here's the reason. Most orchids do well indoor all day long, and you give only a little water once a week or so. And they can rebloom again and again and again. For your information, orchids do better with a little humidity, so if you have a humidifier in your office, it's even better, if you live in a dry area like California where I live. Here are tips. I actually put a few ice cubes into the orchid pot every week. Giving a lot of water is actually bad for them. A little water is good for them. Also, if your office has a window, place the orchid pot near the window when the sun is up for a few hours. They'll enjoy a few hours of bright light each day. I bought my orchids at grocery stores. And they are good enough. If you think other flower is better than orchid for the office, let me know in the comments section. And if you want to know everything about orchid care for beginners, check out the description below. I really hope you found this video useful. Thanks a lot for watching.